everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about a new Shopify feature called Rollouts. And more importantly, I'll show you how to actually use it in a real scenario. Let me start with a quick question. Have you ever needed to update your store for a campaign, but felt unsure about when to publish or whether the changes would actually work? Normally, you might stay up late to publish everything manually, try a third-party app to test changes, or just push it live and see what happens. It means there's always some risk and quite a bit of manual work involved. Now this is where Shopify Rollouts comes in. Rollouts lets you schedule theme changes, gradually release them to a portion of visitors to gather performance data, and automatically publish them at a specified time. It means you can prepare changes in advance instead of rushing. You can reduce the risk of pushing something that doesn't work and make decisions based on actual performance data. Let's walk through a simple scenario and see how this actually works. Let's say you're preparing for a promotion campaign. The first thing you would do is go to your Shopify admin, then go into Markets and create a new rollout. Think of this as a container for all the changes you're about to make. You'll enter a name, and if you want, you can set a start and end time to schedule when the changes go live. You can also define what percentage of visitors will see these changes. Once that's set, you save the rollout. If this is a campaign, you can schedule it to go live at a specific date and time. For example, if your promotion starts at midnight, you don't need to stay up and publish manually. Shopify will handle it for you. At the end, you can decide whether the changes should be applied permanently. Once the rollout is created, you can open your theme editor from there. Then you just edit your store like you normally would. You can update your homepage banner, change text, adjust sections, or modify product page layouts. You'll notice these changes are marked as part of the rollout. The key difference is that everything is saved inside the rollout and not immediately visible on your live store. So at this stage, your customers still see your current store while you're preparing the new experience in the background. After you finish your changes, just save the theme. Your rollout will stay in draft until it reaches the scheduled time, and then it will automatically become active. You'll also be able to monitor its performance from the rollout dashboard. This allows you to compare how the updated experience performs against your current store and review the insights provided. So instead of guessing, you're making decisions based on actual performance. There are a couple of things to keep in mind though. Rollouts doesn't work if your store is password protected, so you'll need to remove that during testing. And since this feature is still in early access, it may not always be fully stable. You might occasionally run into small issues, so it's a good idea to double-check everything before using it in important campaigns. So overall, if you're running promotions, updating your store frequently, or just want more control over how changes go live, Rollouts is definitely something worth trying. If you found this helpful, feel free to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more Shopify tips and insights. I'll see you in the next one.